4124 out in the middle of the freeway, Utah, from Las Vegas. We put too much stuff in this cargo box, and the latches came off, and it came up. Luckily, the stuff didn't come out. We're able to strap it all back. One strap over there for the green straps, one Harbor Freight orange strap going from there to there, and then we anchored it down here, and we put a bungee from here to the Harbor Freight stuff, so when it flaps, because this stuff is rigid, and it will fly off. All right, and we put a lot of 3M electrical tape, vinyl tape on this thing, so when there's all right.
Before it peels off the tape.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. I got the paper.